I'm sure you have noticed it well, that if you do good, you are going to get it from the wicked people, and so you will have to suffer. But if you do bad, you think you're prospering and doing well, but the bad itself will treat you badly after some time. Now, there is something that we have to choose. That's what we call discernment. What do you want to choose? Do you want to choose to do good and be troubled and be rejected, maybe put off, even to death? That is better. Why? Because you have a reason to live and a reason to die. You're doing it out of love. And love always means God. And God is in all. So the other one who is not good, who is going away, you're being good to them by telling them, this what you're doing is not right. They don't like it. And that is why this is what sin does, tries to eliminate those who are telling them not to sin. But there is the good part, that you have died for a good cause, which is love, which is God, and you'll be rewarded for that. Because Jesus has been the way for us for this. And so also the prophet Jeremiah, we see how he says, I don't want to do this work of telling them because they are after my blood. They want to kill me. But because God is telling me, I'm saying this and I'm ready to die for the people. My dear sisters and brothers, in every moment, we always are taking this challenge upon ourselves to love the other, whether the person loves me or not. It is not dependent on them. It is dependent on the energy that we get from within us, from Christ Himself, to be loving. Now that's challenging, and not always are we good at it. And in some areas we can do it, in other areas we can't do it. We can't be all-encompassing. But we can. And that is what St. Ignatius is telling us. The more you insert yourself in Jesus through these spiritual exercises, which give you a deep oneness with Jesus, then what happens? Then you're able to discern at every moment, what do you choose to be Jesus-like and what do you choose not to be like. So that is constantly happening. And when you do this, you have an option. Who do you target to do good? Children, of course. Why children? Because they are the future. They have to have an experience of God in us. And if we are united to God, then we will be able to give it to them because they will experience it firsthand. Otherwise, it is only theory. Parents are doing a lot, but they also feel human. They also get angry. They also say things, and then they say, I should not have said these things. Yes. So what must you do? Learn to keep your thoughts and feelings in Jesus at every moment. And that's the way you will have the energy and strength to remain cool and calm, dying to yourself so that you can live in Jesus for the other. That's what it means to be men and women for others. Not just like that, but in love, doing what Jesus wants us to do. But the greater dimension, all of us are part of His body. And so you know that supposing you have a mosquito coming here or there, immediately the whole body's attention is there. You take it away, you start feeling good. But the effects of it is there, you still keep scratching, then afterwards it's gone. See, the whole body is attentive to that part. We have to be attentive in that way. And the Lord will do it. You only need to cooperate. We can't reach the whole world, but whoever you reach, you have reached the whole body. And it has a great effect. Let us put this into practice and we will be really happy. Let us hold our hands, keep our back straight, close our eyes, and remain united to Jesus. We see how John the Baptist took a stand, told Herod told Herodias what they're doing is not right. And they put him away. So when you are doing good, you're living a good life, and when you are an instrument of love of God, you'll be also eliminated. Don't be frightened. We have eternal life in Jesus. We have goodness coming our way even now when we die daily to ourselves and live for others.